All right, you guys, so make sure to save and like this look because it was highly requested. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump in with our brows, and I'm gonna start by using eyebrow wax. This is gonna help to pick up that powder and really make it pop. I'm gonna make sure to brush that on both sides of my brow hair, and then going in with the medium brown, I'm just filling out the shape. When it comes to the tail of the brow, I'm really focusing on extending it a little bit and then adding a few hair-like strokes in the head of my brow. So now with some gel black eyeliner, I'm not only extending but darkening the tail of the brow, and this is going to ensure that it lasts all day. I'm going in with a matte concealer and highlighting only underneath my eyebrow, and I like this because it's going to make my brows look clean and matte and just really, really sexy without looking too much like halo brows. So now I'm going in with a little bit of the foundation that I use on my face, and I'm using that to clean up the rest of my eyelid. So going in with my primer and a concealer that fits the center color of my face. I'm cleaning up my complexion light. I have been loving the paddle foundation brush lately, so I'm taking that same foundation and going around the edge of my face and blending that out. That's going to give dimension and make my complexion look natural. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish my complexion, blending everything out. If you took my course or if you booked a one-on-one with me, you understand that I usually use at the minimum 2 colors, generally 3, but when I'm going for a really natural look, I use 2, and I'm just blending out those shades all over my face. Lancome just doesn't miss. Loving this paddle brush. It really allows me to go in and work on the little nooks and crannies and crevices of my face. And then for highlighter, I'm using that Lancome Serum Concealer. Everything will be listed below. It has peptides and hyaluronic acid, and it just really makes my face glow and look really, really beautiful. I'm a huge fan. So now I'm going in with these correcting sticks from Cheekbone Beauty, and I'm using that just to pick up any darkness around my mouth, under my eyes, or anything like that. I generally don't really like to do that bright center face, so these just really help to get rid of any darkness, any gray or blue tones, and really just clean up my complexion even more. So now with a moist beauty blender sponge, I'm going in with my powder and I'm focusing on my under eye area because that's where the creamiest products were used. Center of my forehead, I don't want too much shine. And then I'm going in and reverse highlighting my contour because I really want that area of my face to stand out. So now with a dark brown lip liner, I'm going all around the edges of my lips very carefully, making sure to get those corners and really, really go in for the detail. I love this. Going in with a dark brown color, which used to be one of my signatures. I am just finessing that all over my lips. I love a dark brown matte lip. It really adds that 90s flair to this look and really makes it look authentic. So to bring back the edges of my face, I am going to go in with a little bit of bronzer from ColourPop, and then to bring in the edges of my lips, I'm going to use a black lip liner, making sure it's applied neatly, and then blend it out with a brush. Baby, it's going to give you everything you need. Girl, absolutely, positively a must. I hope you guys liked this look. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Everything used will be in the description area, and I will see you guys next time.